So guys, everyone, one of the doubt will be here. What is a doubt call? Sir, how we can sharing for Google Map location on Facebook? What is the benefit? So everyone using for Facebook. So Google Map, we need traffic on the Google My Business. People know about our business purpose. So Google Map location, how we can add on the Google Map location on your particular Facebook page, and how we can share your post on Google Map location to your Facebook option, Twitter, any option will be here. So everyone know about your how we can use the Facebook page option. So this is a common Facebook page we can use. We just you can share the content and everyone here. So nowadays, this caption will be showing very less option will be shown to the in a Facebook page option. Like we can use for photo option. So everything will be, they will show the some less option. But your Facebook page will be using second method will be there. That option will be called, when you replace of double dot, you can add for business.facebook.com/ your username. In this, we can add your particular custom URLs or custom image, anything will be possible. No need adding for that you are in this option also. We can using for method will be here, photo and video. They give a lot of options, upload photo or video, upload multiple videos, create photo album, create a photo gazelle, and create a slideshow, everything. In this option, we have entered the URL. Here option will be there, and in this. And in this future, if not URL will be there, suppose if you upload any photos, editing will be sharing for your page, Instagram, and groups also. Any one group will be possible. Editing we can promoting for your page and group for your particular Google My Business. We can using for in this business.facebook.com option. So first of all, we are selecting for incognito window. What are the your business? We can selecting will be here. So when you will be people will be search in the option, they go to map will be here. In this map will be showing to the particular option. So what are the content you will be optimized. So just in this one, I'm only sharing for my mapping content. To people know about your my map, they come into your my position also. In this purpose, I have to sharing only for my content to the my particular Google Map. In this purpose, we have to sharing purpose will using for two methods. That mean by the Facebook will be generating for Google Map traffic. Google Map will be generating for our website traffic. The final, the output is called you will be generating for your website traffic, and people know about your business also. So share here in this will be link will be copy the link, and we have to use option will be in this. We have to use in this particular URL and click it. After that, they're showing you your particular mapping in this particular option. And after that, I'm adding for my content. So yeah, what are the content I'm posting will be here. Here your post will be. So Instagram will now support. Why? Link will be now supporting for Instagram. In this one, click for share. It will be post will be done. When people will be click, they go to where? In a particular my map option. Will be click, the direct to go to your my map. People will be contact easily through my map option. This is nothing but I have to target for my map to the my map to we can target to the my website traffic. Is it clear? So this is method we can follow that. To adding for Google mapping, the major thing is called people know your address. People know your address. So already Facebook is there in your map, but we have to targeting for Google Maps also to increasing for Google Map insight also. That is purpose we are using for Facebook option also will be supported. Use the support for Facebook page option to increasing for your Google Map insight to people reach your business easily for your particular option. Next thing is called weekend method will be used. The option name is called business.google option. Just I'm logging here in this URL. I'm showing URL will be here. In this particular URL will be selected by option. That is the main URL will be business.google.com and people will be search. They're showing our total my maps in this. Just I'm clear here. Here I'm open my map. Select your post option. What are the content you can share will be here. Select here. What's new? Add your post image. Previous only one image accepted. Now we can add by the multiple images. We can add by the multiple images. No particular will be restriction for the particular option will be here. So just now upload an image. After upload image, we have to resize your particular image. Click for edit option. So in this, book your service, order online, buy now, sign up, everything. I'm just give the book your option. They come in for total my website, not for the particular option. Copy this one, publish. I'm showing for one more method will be here. Once post will be done, you have to wait for certain refresh on your Google Maps option. Here, they give by share button option will be there in a particular Facebook, Twitter and email. So right now I'm using only for Facebook to traffic will be divert to the Google Map location. So image will not display. Once again, we can click for Facebook option. Image will be displayed. Select your page option will be there. Use the page and we have to use will be in this add your hashtags. Click for post. Patterns we have to follow and increase traffic from where your particular Facebook to Google Map to where you go final target for your website. I'll show as a one example. Now it is done by here. Now click. They show your map automatically. High post. They give one button will be called book option, learn more, anything will be. They give button. When click the button, they go to where finally divert will be traffic. These all method will be nothing much to increase the traffic from Facebook to Google Map to your website. The final target will be called your where in a particular website option. So these all will be format we can use in this option will be given by the in your option. So this all will be method will be followed to increase the users on your Google Map position purpose. See this book now. Every option will be mandatory field. Will be adding for particular options. These all method nothing but to increase your Google Map insight. People reach your business, increase your traffic from where Facebook to Google Map to your website. So these all technique we can use, increase your map location on a particular using Facebook page option. Mandatory field, we have to show the compulsory your Google Map location, weekly ones or monthly ones. People will reach your business easily and approach your contact based on your service request. So this is method we can use to increase the Google Map insight and your website traffic. If any further doubts, any issues you are facing, please ask me in the comment box. Into the my channel will be always will be support.